What you got there, Spy? Got a box? It's getting pretty hot here in Oklahoma, so Luke went online and bought us an air conditioner. Thank you so much. I think you found this on Amazon for like $100.
Yeah, $109.
Yeah, and on Walmart it's like twice as much, so good deal. But yeah, we have this AC from RecPro, but it's just getting so dang hot that we need a backup, so he's gonna install that one in our bedroom window. Hey, it's about a week later and I want to show you guys something super cool. So Luke actually got on his computer and he designed, what would you call it? Like
it's an acrylic window for the window AC, basically. Yeah. It's a window that will fit
goes around it
in our RV window.
Yeah, and the guys at his work made it for him, and it's got paper on it right now. Can I peel that? Okay. If I can peel it. Oh, it's actually kind of hard to peel. So this is the stuff at his work that, like, all the stuff comes out with the paper on it, and then you have to peel it off. Oh, okay.
It's actually
so it's acrylic.
Optically clear.
That's nice. So right now we just have this stuff covering all the windows. It's like Reflectix, but it's not. It's, I don't know what.
It's just a cheaper version.
It's just a cheaper version because it works the same. Let me see the side. Oh yeah, it might be a little bit too thick.
It's too thick.
Just a little bit too thick, huh?
Yeah. So I'm back from work. I even got him to notch this out, so now it'll fit in the groove. Hopefully. Measure twice, cut once.
Oh, hey! Yay! High five! Oh, that's wonderful, babe. I don't know why that's so satisfying, but it is.
You're lucky, actually, you come off all in one piece.
Does it usually not?
Sometimes it tear.
Like that, huh?
These little retainers, they're just little plastic clips that hold the screen in place, I guess. So I'm gonna see if they'll pop out.
Oops. It's okay. Hey! There you go.
Okay, so I've got those AC brackets all fit, so now I'm just going to pop this out and put this foam insulator here, because there's a pretty big air gap.
Oh, that's always so scary, right?
Wish that was prettier, but
You can barely see it.
Tight. I have to hold it up and then you're going to have to screw this. the air conditioner. It's a Home Point 5000 BTU from Amazon. Paid like $109 for it, and I guess on sale because now you can't even find it on Amazon anymore. I'm gonna run a power cord and see if it works. So yeah, if you have access to an acrylic shop with a CNC machine, you can make your own. Fan low. It's just a fan.
Blows pretty good.
So you can't aim it up and down, just left and right.
Alright, we're gonna do one more update here and then we're gonna call it good. Oh my gosh, that's really cold. That's only on low. Wow. Awesome.